Here's an uncomfortable promise. A meaningful share of the product names in this course will be renamed, replaced, or retired within 18 months. The models certainly will be. That's not the course failing, that's the field working. The frontier moves every few months, and it will keep moving long after any course or article or influencer thread you'll ever read. Which leaves the last operator problem. How do you stay current in a field that outdates its own experts quarterly, without becoming the person who chases every launch, drowns in hot takes, and rebuilds their whole setup every month on vibes? The answer isn't a source to follow. Nobody's feed will save you. The answer is an instrument panel, and you already built every instrument on it. Your benchmark from Unit 2, your key count from Unit 7, your tests from Unit 11. Add one calendar appointment, an hour, 4 times a year, where you fly the panel and decide what actually changed. That's the entire cost of staying frontier. 1 hour a quarter, measured on your tasks, not the internet's opinions. Names churn, methods compound. The products in this course will die, and your instruments will outlive every one of them. Welcome to the last unit. It's mostly made of the other 11. Check your instruments.